Hey everyone, it's Nelson Miller here with PA Creative. In this week's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add the Google reCAPTCHA checkbox spam protection feature to the Divi Contact Form. So I'm sure you're familiar with it. You just click that little checkbox and that's what tells, the system that, hey, you're not a spammer, you're not a bot, you're a real person, and then you can proceed with submitting the contact form. So I'm going to show you how to do that using our Divi Contact Form Helper plugin. So I recommend going over to the blog post. I'll have that linked if you're coming from YouTube. Now, spam protection obviously is really important, especially for the Divi Contact Form. You don't want to be getting all kind of hassle with just junk, in your inbox. So we've actually added quite a number of different spam protection features. We have honeypot, we have blacklisting. You can actually blacklist like keywords in the subject line or in the actual email address or the domain or in the message. We have Cloudflare turnstile. We have a thing where when the email is marked as spam in the backend, it goes into the spam list. This particular video is highlighting the Google reCAPTCHA version 2 checkbox. So you'll see that I say V2, and that's just saying version 2 of Google reCAPTCHA. Just to clarify, there is that one in fact, let me go in there. In Divi, there's one built in, and that's the invisible option. I mean, you can see the setting for it. The setting's not invisible, but spam protection in there, there's obviously that basic one, that's just the math. And then use a spam protection service, that's going to be in Divi by default, right? And then you can see it's, reCAPTCHA, and you select your account. All right, so I do have a tutorial on that I've done a while back. But in this tutorial, we're talking about this here, the use Google reCAPTCHA V2, that's the checkbox. We did one on Cloudflare turnstile if you want to check into that as well. Now, it's not enough to just enable this. We actually have to get site key and secret key from Google. So we're gonna show you how to do that. So again, this option is common, it's familiar, it's something that you've all done, select the checkbox. That's one of the reasons that it's a good option. It's very simple to use, it's simple for you from both point of views, from the user and from just how simple it is. You rely on their service to take care of spam, and it's effective, so it's widely supported. It's one of those things, it's kind of a no-brainer. Got to at least have something set up. This would be one of those where you wouldn't have the Cloudflare turnstile and this one. You could pick one or the other. You may need the Cloudflare one for more privacy-focused things. All right, so first of all, install the Contact Form Helper plugin. Go ahead and do that. Join our membership, get access to that, or just download the plugin itself rather than the membership. It's up to you. The main step is getting these keys from Google, because that's what's going to be running at Google server, right? So let's do that. So you can go to their website. Now on their website, you'll see some promo about this. You've seen this. This is familiar. You have to click, I think, this Get Started. See, I was logged in, but if you're not logged in, click Get Started, and then it's like, I remember, like, how this can be confusing, all these developer things. So try clicking that again, and then you come. This is the page you want. When you see this, at least in 2024, this is what you want. Register a new site. So you can see the Google reCAPTCHA banner, register a new site. So right here, this is going to be your label. I'm going to say for tutorial, you're going to say something, you name it maybe for your site. The key thing here, you can probably already see it, the reCAPTCHA type. That V3 right there, that's for that invisible one that comes with Divi. So if you want that, there you go. But for this tutorial, we're talking about the checkbox. That's going to be this one. So you can see what happened there. When I chose that, now I can say the I'm not a robot checkbox. That's the one we want. Okay? Now for the domain, you do have to enter that, because that's, it's linking your website to this service from Google. So go ahead and grab your domain. I'll get the one from my tutorial. Hopefully this works. I'm on like a test domain. All right, so I'm going to add that, and then let's see. There's some different things here. This is if I'm in my logged in as my Google Cloud platform. But anyway, I'm going to submit this. What are we saying here? I'm thinking they're just not liking that at the beginning. that what they're saying? Take those slashes off. Let's try that. Yeah, that was what they want. Okay, perfect. That was awesome. Okay, so I need to copy this site key and this secret key. So I'll start with the site key. I'm going to click copy, right? It's copied to my clipboard. Now, go into, okay, remember this isn't what we actually need here. Go to the back end of your website. Go over to Divi Theme Options and go to Spam Protection, right? So we have our plugin tab here and then Spam Protection. Then you can scroll down right here. Look at this, Google reCAPTCHA site key. I'm going to put that there. Then I'm going to go back and grab the secret key. And again, these are just for a test site. So now I have them in there. Now you can actually enable it in the module. So the way we've done it, rather than have you, we were thinking of like putting it in here. These are all, features added by our plugin. We were thinking of putting it in here. Like let's say you turn this on and then have to enter the keys there. But then you'd have to do it in every single module. And some people have like 100 different contact forms on their site. So we thought it would be simpler. Let's just connect it in the back end there. That'll work globally on all your contact forms. Then whichever forms you want, come in here and enable it. So that's what we've done for like both of these things, for the Cloudflare or the Google. So now I'm just going to exit the builder here and hopefully it shows. All right, there we go. There, it works perfectly. You know how it works. You click that and we're good to go. And then I fill in the form. All right, hope you enjoyed that. That's how you add that spam protection checkbox to the Divi Contact Form. And you can go ahead and check out our other spam protection features and let us know, hey, if there's a certain one that you want us to add, something specific that you like to use. We always love to hear feedback on that. All right, we'll see you all in our next video.